Hello, in this video I'll show what to do after installation of the plugin. So let's activate it. We can see these links. Let's press documentation. Here we can read documentation. Just now in this video I will explain this article, which names Let's Start. And here it's talking about the plugin settings. So let's go to settings. Press this. The settings are placed here. So what you can see here. Here's default search link. Here's default output search template. Supported post types. If you want to filter products, you need to check it. Here is default reset link. Usually I set it main page. Here you can write results per page. If 0 here will be default WordPress settings. Let it be 9. Front interface. It's for tooltip. It's tooltip them. What is it? Let me show you. Oh, sorry. What is the tooltip? Here it is. This is tooltip. So this is tooltip them, and this is tooltip icon image URL. If you doesn't like this blue one. Okay, tooltip max width. Tooltip max width in pixels. Type slide out icon image settings. What is it? Look, I'm using the shortcut here in slide out mode, so you can see this image. This is default image, but you can set your own. You can drop here link of it, and it's very important, width and height of this image. It's important for JavaScript, which will be works with it. So it's clear with it. jQuery week calendar date format. If you're using in your filters jQuery calendar, it's the date will be shown there in such way which you select here. Use chosen JS library for drop-downs. If you will check it, drop-downs will be shown in such way. So it will be beautified by chosen JS library. You can use it or don't. Maybe you want to customize it by your own CSS style, so don't check it. Use custom scroll JS bar. It means when you use a lot of checkboxes in the filter, there will be a period scroll bar. It will be default in which browser, but if you check this, you will get beauty scroll bar. Use iCheck JS library for checkboxes. I recommend you check it. What does it mean? Look at these checkboxes. They are not standard. They are their CSS. They are stylized by CSS in their beauty. You can select a lot of skins for it. Okay, misallows loading text. What does it mean, loading text? When you press something, it's write this text. One moment in this case. Use sort by buttons. It's obsolete feature, and I will remove it in next version. But if you want to have such sort panel, just write to support. Toggle open side, toggle close side. Look, one moment, I will find good example for you. I found good example. These toggles works only with widgets. So what does it mean? You can set toggles for your search blocks, for example. Look at this. So it's toggled. It's all toggled. You can use it as with metadata, so with taxonomies. And you can use here plus, minus, or for example, as here, open, close. Hide MDTF search button on mobile devices. It's feature for shortcodes when you are using shortcode not as form but as button. Let me show you. Look, you can use shortcode as button. For example, let me demonstrate you on the tester page. Let's go to tester. Drop this shortcode. View page. Look, you can drop any search form in any content just by button or by link in this case, or assign CSS style to this link and it will be button. It's very useful. Why I created this option? Because this window is not responsive for mobile devices. So for mobile devices, you can set it, you can check it, and this link not be visible for mobile devices. Ignore sticky posts. Ignore sticky posts in search. WooCommerce. Exclude out of stock products from search. Yes. Try to make shop page adjacent. What does it mean? If you want to use on your shop page Ajax, you can try check it and use it, and of course set Ajax mode in the widget. But with a lot of DMS it doesn't work, because these hooks by any developers or removed or in another place. So or Ajax doesn't work at all, or Ajaxed page is broken. I have article about it in documentation using Ajax in searching for WooCommerce. You can read it. Okay, inbuilt pagination. This is inbuilt pagination is using only for Ajax shortcodes, which you can read in this article. So what can I tell you? Just check these two buttons. Pagination CSS file. What does it mean? Pagination CSS file. It's default CSS for Ajax. Let me show you. One moment. Look, this. But if you doesn't like this CSS style, you can write yourself. But for this, you need to uncheck this button. Okay, I think it's all understand with settings. We press settings and look at these two buttons. You can read step by step. It will be overwritten for new version. Or watch video. On this page will be a lot of videos. As this one too. So I hope it's all and it's clear for you just now already. See you. Goodbye.